Guys, welcome back to iLink. Today we have something truly special for all the retro Apple fans out there. First open Cydia and make sure you add the cydia.skyglove.s repo. Inside the repo we must search for Absinthe Anified. Install Absinthe Anified first. This is the most important step because it allows your iPhone 5 to run custom IPS without Apple's restriction. Now open Safari and go to rgdownload.sfproj.xyz and select the download and select the iOS section and you will see the retrogram IPA files and download IPA. Download the file, open it using FileZone File Manager and click install. In just a few seconds the magic happens. And open retrogram, username and password login. Retrogram. Take 2 minutes to install it. Drop a comment below and let like button and subscribe for more retro Apple secrets. See you next time.